Windows 11 release 25 H2 is here, and if you're thinking about trying to upgrade your currently unsupported PC, you're in the right place. In this video, we're walking you through an upgrade of Windows 11 25 H2 on a PC with unsupported hardware. No bloat, no clutter, just pure performance. So let's get to work. You may have seen some of our previous videos on upgrading Windows 10 PCs on unsupported hardware to Windows 11 release 24H2. There are several different methods to do that 24H2 upgrade, and today we're going to use a similar method to upgrade one of those unsupported PCs from 24H2 to the latest Windows 11 release, 25H2. This method has proven to be overwhelmingly easy and successful based on the many positive upgrade outcomes of our lab PCs and feedback from the channel. No, this may not work for every single unsupported PC and every single hardware configuration, but it's probably worth a shot if you're wanting to upgrade your unsupported hardware to Windows 11. As always, before you attempt any major change to your PC or operating system, please be sure to make proper backups of your data or a system image. If you'd like suggestions of what backup programs to use, let me know in the comments and I can point you in the right direction. Okay, let's hop right to the upgrade. Head on over to Microsoft's official site and download the latest Windows 11 installation ISO. I'll put a download link in the video description for you as well. Once downloaded, right-click the ISO file and select Mount. If you don't have the Mount option when you right-click, then you should be able to right-click the ISO, select Open With, and then locate Windows Explorer to set it as the default ISO file application. Once mounted, make note of the drive letter provided to the virtually mounted drive. Our drive letter here is D, but yours may be different, so pay attention to this step. Next, we want to open an elevated command prompt to kick off the Windows 11 upgrade with a particular command. To do this, in your taskbar search menu, type CMD. On the right, select Run as administrator. Now we want to type the drive letter you made note of, then colon and hit Enter. So I'll type D: and hit Enter. Now type the following command and hit Enter. I've put this command in the video description so you can easily copy and paste it into the command line. The Windows 11 Upgrade Assistant should pop up after a short wait and kick off the upgrade process. If during this upgrade process you see references to upgrading Windows Server, don't be alarmed. It's not installing Windows Server. It's just part of the trick that allows you to bypass some of the hardware requirements for install. You'll answer a few traditional questions along the way. Answer them accordingly. Now, if you are warned that you can't keep your current files or apps, or the Keep All option is grayed out, then you may have a mismatched OS setting. We've seen this more often than not, being an issue with the Windows install language. You can go back and ensure that your current Windows 10 language settings are the same as the ISO file you downloaded. We've also made videos on other upgrade methods to help with this, so go check them out in the video description. The upgrade process was typical here, but I did speed it up for the video. All in all, it was maybe 20 minutes, but yours may be much longer depending on your PC, so be patient. And as you see, it's upgraded to Windows 11 25H2 from 24H2. Now, we've had a handful of questions recently on whether or not Windows 11 on unsupported hardware will download and apply the latest Windows feature and security updates. Well, as you see here, I immediately was able to apply any available Windows 11 updates, and this was also the case with 24H2 on unsupported hardware as well. Will this always be the case in the future? I can't predict that, but for now, it's working as expected. And that's it. You've got a fresh, clean upgrade of the newest Windows 11 Release 25 H2 ready to go. No bloat, no nonsense, no new PC. Just Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, ready for action. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more PC tips, tricks, and tech fixes. Otherwise, thanks for the watch, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.